Hello friends, so today we are going to do a pregnancy friendly wall Pilates workout. Wall Pilates is all the rage right now. It's super important to make sure who you're following on that, just to make sure that they are certified, they know what they're talking about, and Pilates is very much about form and function. So if they're not certified in that, they're not going to be aware of that. Luckily, you are in luck, because not only am I certified in Pilates, I am certified in prenatal and postnatal Pilates. So you will need a ball today. If you don't have one, not a big deal, but super helpful. We're going to start by going against the wall, not super close, but enough where you can bounce your bum there and get a little closer, and then you're going to shift your pelvis to neutral, so your spine is super aligned. And then we're just going to come down in a light squat here. I'm actually going to move the mat so I don't slip. And then you're going to pick up here, and you're going to put your arms like a football goalpost, and you're just going to do a head nod. So really your spine alignment, you're going to feel that pulling, and it's probably going to feel hard for you. And you're just going to go up and down. Inhaling, exhaling. And you're going to do that at least 15 times. So we have about 10 more here. It's really going to help your back. And we have 5. Trying to keep sliding up. 3, 2, 1. And now you're going to slowly come away using your core. Don't you feel good now? That feels so good. So next we're going to turn. We're just going to do some nice twisting to really mobilize that spine. So depending on how pregnant you are, your range of motion is going to be smaller, okay? But just trying to stay straight and just going. You can rotate your foot here, especially for my pregnant women. Just rotate that foot, but you're really going to just try to get that articulation in the spine. As women, especially as mothers, we are twisting all the time. We are twisting to pick things up off the shelf. So it's just really important to work these movements that we do on a daily basis. So we're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Now we're going to go into a push-up. So you're going to see the back of me. But we're literally just going to, the farther your feet are away from the wall, the more, the harder it is. It's very important to be engaged in that core on the push-up. So a little ant. We're just going to be here, and we're literally just going to be doing triceps. So we're going to do this motion, not out, but this. We're going to wrap the serratus muscle around as we go down. So here, and pushing up. And we're going to go down for a count of 3, up for a count of 3. Sorry that this is the back view of me. Down 3, up 3. Up 3. Nice. Keep going. You should really be feeling that burn in those triceps. And we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to stay here, stay on the up, and we're going to do shoulder taps. So we're literally going to be doing taps. Okay? So in that same position, lifting, wrapping, and we're just going to do taps. You might want to come out a little bit farther for this. Really strengthening. It's almost like a plank. Like you were on the ground doing a plank, but that's too much pressure in our midline during pregnancy. So it's important to be up. This is still working. You have all the extra weight of baby, so you are still working with your body weight and the added weight of baby. And we have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Feeling good, right? Feeling good. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a squat against the wall. So we're going to come up again, and we're gonna move down. You can grab your ball. Excuse my children in the background. You're gonna be up, working that spinal flexion up, putting your neck, your head nod. Okay, you're gonna be here. And you're just gonna breathe here. Contracting your core, lifting your pelvic floor for about 5 breaths. And then we're gonna move our legs. Okay, this is a challenge. So you might need to be up a little bit more in your squat. And you're going to, if you need to, place your hands here for support, and you're going to lift your leg up. And the next one, and making sure your core is pulled in, you're lifted in from that 6 o'clock to that 12 o'clock rotation in your core, all nice and tight. Lifting, keeping your back pressed against the wall. Nice. And we have about 10 more. We have 10, 9, really making you work here. 8, 7, 6. You want your hips level. You don't want to be swaying around, keeping your best to keep your core so engaged that your hips are staying still. And we have 3, 2, last one. Nice. Now we're going to put that ball right here between our knees. We're going to reassess. You can put your arms here, you can put your arms here, and literally squeeze the inner thighs and the pelvic floor. There we go. Nice squeezing. A little hold in there, a hold of 2 as you're squeezing. Nice. Now we're going to do rapid pulses. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, watch out. I'm on a video. I'm almost done. This is the last move. So there you have that. Okay, I'll be right there. So the last one we're going to do is sumo tap outs. So you're going to be right against the wall here, and you're going to spread your legs, lifting and wrapping into that neutral. You're literally going to be here, and you're just going to go down. Depending on where you are in your pregnancy, you might be here, but really working that oblique. So you're lifting, pulling in, wrapping that transverse and tapping. You're not going to actually tap your toe, but you're just going to rotate. And really keeping that spine against the wall is going to keep you in that alignment. You should be really feeling this if you are focused and engaged. And we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
I'm ruining
and last one. And there you have it. A beautiful, quick, focused wall Pilates for your pregnancy journey. I hope you enjoyed that, and make sure to subscribe so you get more workouts like these. Peace.